Aero Flight GmbH & Co. Luftverkehrs KG was an airline based in Obersel, Germany. It operated international charter passenger service. The airline was established and started operations on the 26th of March 2004. Aeroflight started from the charter airline Aero, which had ceased operations in October of 2003. Aeroflight ceased operations on October 30th of 2005. The airline's assets were subsequently bought by the Iceland-based Aviation group in a deal that took effect in early 2006. Aeroflight operated services to the following international scheduled destinations in 2005: Adana, Alicante, Ankara, Cairo, Catania, Düsseldorf, Frankfurt, Fuerteventura, Hurghada, Istanbul, Luxor, Munich, Prestana, Santa Cruz de la Palma, Sarajevo, St. Petersburg, Stuttgart, and Tivat. The Aero fleet consisted of the following aircraft before it ceased operations in late 2005: 4 A320-200 and 2 A321-200s. The A321-200 was transferred to AirBlue, and one later crashed as AirBlue Flight 202, which I think that's interesting.
And that's all. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.